On the board, you have a quadratic equation, which is solve 5x squared plus 9x minus 2 equal to 0. There are some quadratic equations that are not factorizable, and the only solution in solving such question is by using the formula method. Example of quadratic equation is this on the board. So the only option in solving this, which is not factorizable, is by using the formula method. And what is the formula method? You say our solution, first, we place our formula method, which is x equal to minus b plus minus, then you have your b squared minus 4ac all over your 2a. This is the formula method using to solve any question, any quadratic question that is not factorizable. The only solution is using the formula method. Now, we have the variables here, b, a, and c. They all represent this coefficient you're seeing here, the numbers there, that's what they represent. How? The a represents 5, b represents plus 9, c represents minus 2. Let's write it out. You have your a, which is 5. You have your b, which represents plus 9. You have your c, which represents minus 2. Now, having listed them this way, now let's substitute them into this formula we've written out. So it will be minus, the b here has 9. So it will be 9 plus minus, which you have here. Then you put your root, b squared. Your b is plus 9, which is 9 squared. You have your minus, your 4 times 4ac means 4 times a times c. So your a is what? Your a is 5 times your c is minus 2. Then you have your all over 2a. 2a means 2 times a, which is 2 times your a is 5. Now all the formulas have been substituted. Now let's solve. First of all, you have your minus 9 plus minus. Your 9 squared is 81. Then you have your minus times minus is plus. Your 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times this 2 is 40. You see it now? Then your all over 2 times 5 is 10. Now what should be the next thing? We'll solve. Now coming to this part, you have your equal to the quality sign, you bring it there. You have your minus 9, you have your plus sign minus. Then you add 81 plus 40 will give us your 121. Then you have your all over the 10. You also bring it down. You have this being brought down. Now, what is the square root of 121? The square root of 121 is 11 all over 10. So if you watch now, we have two signs here, the positive sign and the negative sign. Minus 9, you have two signs, 11 over 10. Now, it simply means that we share these numbers. This sign will take one of the numbers, and the next sign will take the other numbers. We can't leave this like this. We need to simplify further. How? Now, we want to separate this number using that sign. Then we separate those signs. How do we separate them? First of all, you put your equality sign, minus 9. You take your minus sign first, then your 11 over 10. Then you separate them by using or. This is your or. Now the next one, we'll take minus 9. Remember, initially we took subtraction sign. Now this time around, we're taking the addition sign. Plus 11 all over 10. Now we don't stop here. We can also simplify further by saying minus 9 minus 11 will give us minus 20 divided by 10. Now you have or minus 9 plus 11 will give us what? 2 over 10. Now let's divide. In order to divide it, you say your 0 cancel out to 0. What is remaining there? It's minus 2 over 1. So minus 2 divided by 1 is minus 2. You have your all. 2 here is 1. 2 here is what? You have your 5. So you have your 1 over 5 as your answer. Thank you.